Howdy, fifth grade. It's Mr. Sanchez here. It's Friday. Yay! It's time for us to relax. But before we relax, I have one last video for you guys. And that is to compare decimals. Now, I put up here the greater than and less than signs just to have them as reference. You all should know how it works. We've been through it, so hopefully you all remember. And if you don't, you have these two beautiful pictures right here to remind you what is greater than and what is less than and how you use them, okay? So let's get started today with two simple decimals. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to try to compare it with money. I'm gonna try to compare it with money so you can kind of understand what I'm talking about. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with 512 and 5/10 versus 512 and 5/100. Now, saying it out loud, it sounds like 5/100 is bigger than 5/10 because 100 is bigger than 10. That is true in whole numbers. In decimals, however, when you have a 5/10, I want you to picture it like money. Picture it as though it was $512 with 50 cents versus $512.05. Is 5 cents bigger than 50 cents? If I gave you 2 quarters or a dime, would you prefer me giving you the 2 quarters or the dime? Most likely you would want the 2 quarters for your 50 cents so you can buy something at the convenience store. So with that being said, we know that this one will be greater than this one. Correct? All right, let's try one more. Let's try one more and see if you guys can get it. Let's try 47 and 26/100 versus 47 and 16/100. Okay. So let's look at this. Let's look at this. 47 and 26/100 versus 47 and 16/100. Now, if we take a look at this, it's really simple to see the two. The numbers that are different is the 2 and the 1. 2 is bigger than 1. With that being said, it should be fairly obvious for you to know that if I gave you 26 cents, it will be greater than 16 cents. So 47 and 26/100 is greater than 47 and 16/100. Let's try one more. Ooh. Things are getting confusing now. 5 and 81,000 versus 5 and 900. Did your world just turn upside down? Clearly, this one must be the bigger number because it has more numbers on it, right? Take a look at it. This is 81,000. To go back to our money ideas, imagine if I gave you 89 cents versus 90 cents. Now, it doesn't exactly work that way because it's in different place values, but just imagine it that way for now. If I give you 81 cents, now it sounds bigger because it has the 8 and the 1, but 90 is a bigger number. It is greater number. Therefore, 5 and 81,000 is less than 5 and 900. If you have any questions for me, guys, be sure to message me. Be sure to ask me. Go ahead and try out this next one that I'm going to leave out and leave it in the comments if it is greater than or less than, okay? Here we go. let's take a look and do this last one, shall we? Let's do 5 and 91 thousandths. 5 and 81 thousandths. Is it greater than or less than this number? Comment at the bottom, let me know, and I will see you guys next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, have fun, and all the rest, okay? See you guys.